All right, so for those of you who have an eBay store subscription, we wanted to show you how to find your quarterly eBay coupon. So we're going to start here at the eBay homepage and head over to the right-hand side of the page to My eBay. In the drop down, we're going to go to the selling option. Once we select that, it will take us into our seller hub. And from here, we're going to go to the store category. And in the drop down, you're going to see subscriber discounts. Go ahead and select that. And this will take you to the discounts that you're currently eligible to receive. Again, we pay about $29 a month to have a basic eBay store. And then we get a $25 coupon once every quarter that we can use to purchase some shipping supplies. So we'll go ahead and get started here with this coupon. When we select on that, it will bring us to the next page, which shows us our coupon code. Now we can either choose to copy that, or I like to just go and hit the start shopping button and use my code right away. This will take us directly to the eBay shipping and supply page, where we can see all the items that they have for sale in their store. Most of the time, we just buy boxes and tape. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and click on this eBay tape here. Make sure you input the amount of tape that you want to get. So we want to go ahead and get 12 rolls of tape and add that to our cart. Once everything has been added into our cart, we can go to checkout, and it'll take us to the checkout page where we can then officially apply our coupon. So if we scroll down here underneath the item, you'll see this checkbox. Make sure you check and apply the coupon to your total. As you can see, once we've done that, it's actually dropped our price from the $32 down to about $10.34.